Welcome to our session on Photoshop's Type Tools. Today, we'll explore the various tools available for creating and manipulating text, focusing on their unique functions and applications in design. Photoshop offers several type tools, including the horizontal and vertical type tools for standard text, and the Type Mask tool for creating text shapes that reveal the background. Each tool serves a distinct purpose in text design. We also have the Path Type tool enables text to follow a custom path or curve, and the vertical path. Type tool is similar but applies text vertically along a path. The Text on Shape tool allows for text to be created along vector shapes. Each tool serves a distinct purpose in text design. Mastering these tools allows for more flexibility and innovation in your projects. Thank you for joining this session.